The county health department says that children still need to be up to date on their vaccines ahead of the new school year, despite the fact that most children will start the year at home learning online.
Tim Johns is live outside Franklin Elementary School with what parents need to know ahead of the start of this academic year. Tim?
Yeah, Dave, Rochelle, at their press conference this morning, Public Health said that the state is staying on top of students getting their vaccines, whether they're starting the school year either online or in person. They say they want to make sure that there's no delay for whenever all students do return to in-person instruction. At their weekly press briefing, Kern County Public Health officials urging parents to make sure their children are up to date on their vaccinations.
The state laws regarding school-aged immunizations have not changed.
They say despite the fact that most students will begin the new academic year online, the state is still enforcing strict standards, something that some local parents have already begun to find out.
We've actually heard at the health department of parents calling us asking where to get their child immunized because they weren't able to pick up their child's Chromebook because they weren't up to date on immunizations.
Kern's chief epidemiologist Kim Hernandez says while the county always encourages people to get vaccinated, getting them this year is particularly important.
A lot of the vaccine preventable diseases that we're immunizing our school-aged children against present similar to COVID-19. Many of them start with a fever and cough-like illness. And so if we can prevent that illness in those children, then we have less to worry about in assessing if they have those respiratory symptoms.
Not just for the health and safety of everyone, but also for a smoother transition for when it's time to return to in-person instruction.
Even if they are starting their school year off learning virtually, is at the point in time where they're able to come back on campus, we want them to be able to do so immediately. And we don't want to have to wait another 2 or 3 weeks for those children to get up to date before they can come back on campus.
Now, for a full list of the vaccinations that your student will need, you can head to the California Department of Education's website. For now, I'm reporting live outside of Franklin Elementary School. Tim Johns, Eyewitness News.
Is there a story you think we should investigate? Call our Eyewitness News tip line at 869-2929.